Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're doing something that I'm kind of excited about. I love having a book to draw in and do things, but then I decided we should make books. So I'm going to show you what we figured out. This is my book of February. Now I know we haven't really gone through February 2021 yet, but I did it ahead of time. So I was imagining that each day someone could do a different piece of art in their book. So I'll show you lots of things. I painted some, I glued in things, I cut things out of paper, all stuff like this. So anyway, I'm going to show you how we made it. So I started with 8 pieces of, construction paper, white construction paper that I cut in half. And then I sewed them together on this sewing machine.
What?
So fun. It's a little bit raggedy here, but that's the middle. No one's going to see that. So it was really great. More than that, I found out, is not so good for the needle. But 8 pieces was perfect. I just lined them up. I found out where the middle was. I used one of the sheets. So I'll show you what we do with this later too. And I clipped them together with clips I didn't bring over with me. And then I just sewed right along the middle here. And now it's a book. So it's a bound book. So now I can close it up like this. I started by painting my cover. And then I'm going, because it's February, I'm adding this fun sticker paper that we got from our friends in have a printing business. They had some extra. So put that on, and then we'll know that this is my February art book. And every day in February, I'm going to add something new to it. So I'm going to show you what we can add just today. If I'm painting, I'm going to use my extra piece in between so I don't get things on too many other pages. But we'll start off with this. I had this nice piece of red paper that I cut just to be the right size to fit in here. And then this paper is, I know it's probably hard to tell on the screen, but it is handmade paper, so it has lots of like threads and stuff in it. It's kind of fun. So I'm going to cut out a heart. And I like to do this kind of a heart where I fold the paper in half and I cut along here, because then I know my heart is even. And I like an even heart. What about you, Miss Hazel? Do you like an even heart?
I do.
See how it's even there?
Pretty.
I mean,
you could even draw with a pencil first.
You could,
to
yes,
get the idea.
to get the lines there.
But you've done it a lot.
I have cut many hearts in my time. We also have some hole punches that are heart shaped too. You could always cut with those. I'm going to glue this in, and always remember to put my lid back on my glue stick so it doesn't dry out. Except now I'm about to use it again. So this is going to be my number 1 page. So my idea is that I will glue this in on the first page, and then close the book, and then tomorrow add another piece. Can you believe it's here in California, where we are, in Alameda, California. It is in January. We're getting ready for next month by doing this. It is warm enough outside that we could be in shorts. It's so weird. Yesterday and the day before, very chilly for our standards. We had to wear sweaters, but I have a sweater on, but I don't think I really need it.
It's so pretty.
So here's the book. This is what we're doing every day. If you want to make a book, just remember, you can sew it on a sewing machine. It's a new way of binding, which made me very excited. So here you go. We will see. Look, I almost forgot to put the lid back on. I'll be responsible. Put it on. Thank you for visiting us. You can make your fun book. You could do like each month. This is a good month because there are only 28 days for us, so that was easy to get the 8 sheets. You would need to add more, of course, if you're going to do a month with 30 or 31. But you could have it every day, carry it around in your bag, do whatever you want. So see you next time. Okay, thanks for visiting us. We'll see you soon.
Bye, friends.
Bye.